One of the first methods of selecting an add-on or downloading the add-on into your Splunk instance is using your Splunk console itself. This is our search head. We have our internet connectivity established on our Splunk server. So let us go ahead and download the add-on using our Splunk console. I've logged into my search head. I'll click on this plus icon. In case if you are on any other screen, you can go to apps, and you can click on browse more apps. If your Splunk server has internet connectivity, it directly connects to our Splunk base and it lists all the app. Let's say I need technology add-on for Windows. So this is our first add-on that we'll be installing as part of this video. You can directly click on install. We already have our username and password for our Splunk base, so you can enter your username and password here, click on the accept, and the technology add-on will be automatically installed. The second method of choosing the add-on and downloading it is via Splunk base. Visit splunkbase.splunk.com and search for the required add-on. In our case, it will be technology add-on for Windows. That is for parsing Windows log. So as you can see, we got our first result itself. In case if you have not already logged in, you'll get a login and download button here. Since I have already logged in, I'll just go ahead and click on download. So just accept the agreement and click on download. We have our add-on downloaded. Now there are two methods to install these add-ons after downloading the add-on from the Splunk base. One, you can directly upload this file using Splunk web. Second, you can directly copy this file and unzip it in Splunk etc apps directory. We'll see the first method. This is our search head where we'll be installing our first add-on. You can click on this plus icon or click on the manage apps. So here, just right next to the browse more apps, you'll be able to see install app from file. Choose install app from file and choose the file which we have just downloaded. So in case if you already have this add-on installed, you can upgrade this by selecting this check mark. Since this is the first time we are installing, I'll keep it unchecked. I'll click on upload. If this add-on requires restart, post upload, Splunk will pop up to show us it requires a restart, and we can go ahead and restart the Splunk searcher. As you can see, this add-on requires a restart. So let me proceed and restart this. Once it is restarted, you will be able to parse the Windows logs using this technology add-on. Usually technology add-ons are installed on AV forwarders, indexers, sometimes on the searchers for parsing the search time fields. And also AV forwarders and indexer use the technology add-on to parse your logs and storing of those logs once it is processed. Also technology add-ons with input collection and initial data parsing like host, source and source type will be present on your universal forwarder also. Whenever you are downloading a technology add-on, just make sure to have a brief look at its documentation so that it will have a clear indication on where these technology add-ons should be present. So our Splunk has restarted. So once we log in, we are not able to see our technology add-on because our technology add-on doesn't have any visual component. But you'll be able to see the installed add-on in the same manage apps. Click on the app setting. Most of the TAs will not have any UI, so that they are usually installed on forwarders, heavy forwarders and indexers. As you can see here, we have successfully installed our Splunk TA for Windows. As you can see, it is presently not visible. You can make this visible by clicking on Edit Properties. Make it visible. Yes. Now we are able to see our Splunk add-on for Microsoft Windows. It gives a brief setup saying that the Splunk add-on for Microsoft Windows provide pre-built data inputs to facilitate Windows system monitoring. That means it contains basic data collection techniques like Windows event log, PowerShell scripts, couple of batch scripts, and default locations of monitoring registries, Active Directory, DNS, Exchange. These kind of minimal log collection are packaged into this add-on. And also we'll see in the back end, whenever we install add-ons, what all files are created or added into our searcher.